Okay, finally made it to my site after trying to settle 10 million problems. 10 million problems! So now I'm here to do some measurement thingy because I realized I cannot depend on people to help me measure. Every time I ask, they'll take like 10 million years. Like 10 million years! So I have to quickly do it. Okay, so now I will let you take a look at the result of opening up the space. Okay, so very soon we will be able to see more things coming up. Here's another artwork, toilet artwork. In every job site, I will find incidental toilet bowls here and there. Okay, so what's the mystery thing I'm doing on site? Actually, not mystery lah. It's a lot of detailing work to ensure that our lighting is on point one, not too long, not too short. In terms of the track lights, so I want to come here and estimate for myself. So this is how I estimate by seeing whether the track light is too long at certain meters or too short. So now I have to aggravation from different vantage points and see in case it gets too dark, because let's say a track light is 1.5 meters, there are only this many light holders that I can put ma. So what if the track is not long enough to fit more? Then there will be like many track light holders crammed into 1.5 meter track, which is not ideal. So usually people will make or have the track lights longer the track longer, so that there's still freedom to add in more track light holders should it not be enough. But once you shorten it to bare minimum, if you want to add in more light holders, then it will be tang already. Then it's not nice. Another reason why I'm here is also to look at laminate samples, vinyl samples, vinyl flooring samples. So these are the few usual suspects I will run through and then give client my recommendations.